hate vessel sinks. Doing Moto Plumber today because I knew exactly what I needed. So here is the new sink. These suckers are expensive. This is the padding that came in the box with the sink. I do not like those angle stops. They always get stuck. Ugh. All right. But as you can see, the nut is just gone. I tried to tighten it and it literally disintegrated. So ugly. It takes a special type of person to want a vessel sink, in my humble opinion. This thing was so expensive, and this is like Glacier Bay type. Hot and cold. I hate those. Can you tell I don't like vessel sinks? Or this will go beneath. So this whole assembly right here goes beneath. You can put a little putty right here, and then you just tighten it up. Okay, so throw these in. All right, actually, doesn't look bad. These are 1/2 inch by 3/8 adapters. But I'm trying to understand why they wouldn't just use angle stop adapters, because there's plenty of slack on these, and even on this one. But instead they have all this. So this is a 1/2 inch hose, and then it adapts to 3/8. I actually brought some angle stop adapters with me, but whatever. These are fine, will work. Next step, just thread it on right there. All right, let's see if there's any leaks. There we go, on. And, oh gosh, these stupid things, man. There we go. There we go. Any leaks? Nope. All right. All right, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's kind of cool looking.